It's the kitchen again. It's one of the cabinets we moved. I wanted you to pay attention to that they put a strip molding right here, all the way down the cabinet, up and down. Right? They put a piece of molding right here. They put sort of like a subfloor before they put the countertop down. And I see some screws right there, but I don't see any. I honestly think this is glued in. I see evidence of glue. Just letting you know, we probably can't save them, man. All right, up in here, I was looking at the carpet. I was looking at the floor. Let me see. It's like that for quite some time. This one right here got something on it, and that whatever that is stuck to the whole floor. And this is just as bad. So we're gonna leave the tack strips down. All right, but other than that, man, it's pretty much. It's one of the rooms, that's where the mold is. It's the other room. I'm just thinking about keeping the carpet. All right.